Imagine, you receive a full name, John Doe, from a previous step, but in the next step, you need the first name and last name separately. Or maybe you receive a mobile number, where you need to remove the country code or the dash before using it in the next step. So, what would you do? In all these situations, one thing is common. You are not changing the workflow. You are modifying the existing data. In other words, you are transforming data from one format to another. To handle such cases, we use the JS code step in viaSocket. This step includes an inbuilt AI feature that makes things much easier. Just describe what you want in plain English, and the AI generates the logic for you. No coding required. Let me show you how it works. Here we are going to modify the existing workflow that we built in the last video by adding a JS step to split the name into first name and last name coming from the Gmail step. First, click the plus button, then select JS code from the built-in tools. Now describe what you want in plain English. For example, split the full name into first name and last name. Click Send. viaSocket will automatically generate the JS logic for you. Click on the test button, check the inputs. Then click on Confirm Test, and you will see the desired outputs. First name and last name. Now save the step. Remember, the workflow runs from top to bottom, so drag the JS code step above the Add New Row step. Only then can we use the data in the below step. Now open the Google Sheets Add New Row step. Map the first name to the first name column and last name to the last name column. Save the step. From now on, every incoming email will automatically create clean, structured names inside Google Sheets. Click on Publish Flow to make your flow go live. And this is just one use case. With the JS code step in viaSocket, you can do much more. Generate random OTPs for verification. Extract email domains from email addresses. Create unique order IDs. Format names into a clean and consistent structure. Whenever you need to transform, clean, generate, or fetch data between steps, the JS code step can handle it. In the next video, we'll build an AI agent that acts as your co-pilot, make decisions on your behalf. Until then, keep automating your manual work on viaSocket.